OnePlus Turbo 6X Pro series has officially launched today, and this time I've been able to spend some hands-on time with a demo unit. The model I'm testing is the OnePlus Turbo 6X Pro, a device that puts a major emphasis on battery endurance. If your budget is around 1,500 Yuan, which is roughly 170 pounds, and you're searching for a smartphone that offers excellent battery life, a quality display, and a smooth user experience, then this video is definitely worth watching. In fact, the OnePlus Turbo 6X Pro could be one of the most distinctive smartphones available in the 1,500 Yuan segment this year. Let's begin with the unboxing experience.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The retail package follows OnePlus's familiar design approach. Inside the box, alongside the phone, you get an 80-watt fast charger and the brand's signature red charging cable. The presentation is simple and straightforward. OnePlus also includes a protective case that matches the color of the phone, helping create a more cohesive overall appearance. The version I have comes in what is currently one of the most popular color options called "May All Your Wishes Come True." To be honest, it looks even better in person than it does in the official promotional images. Rather than using a bright, eye-catching orange, OnePlus has gone with a softer, low-saturation light orange finish. It stands out without feeling overly flashy. Depending on how the light hits the surface, you can notice subtle shifts in the color and reflections, giving it a youthful look while still maintaining a premium feel. The camera module follows a clean and minimalistic design philosophy. I won't spend too much time on it, but overall, it strikes a nice balance between simplicity and style without appearing either too aggressive or too plain. What impressed me even more is the weight. Considering that this phone packs a huge 8,000 mAh battery, I expected it to feel much heavier. However, the weight is kept at around 213 grams, combined with its large, dual-curve design and an almost perfectly balanced 50-50 weight distribution. The phone feels surprisingly comfortable in the hand. The transition between the back panel and the front frame is smooth and natural, so there's no obvious discomfort during extended use. On top of that, the Turbo 6X Pro continues to offer comprehensive protection against dust and water with IP66, IP68, and IP69K ratings. Moving beyond the design, I believe one of the biggest upgrades this year is the display. The Turbo 6X Pro features a 6.78-inch Samsung OLED eye protection panel with 1.5K resolution and support for 144 Hz LTPS high refresh rate. Thanks to Samsung's display materials, power efficiency is reportedly 26% better than many industry mainstream solutions, while peak brightness can reach an impressive 6,500 nits. Even under strong sunlight outdoors, the display remains easy to see. The full brightness LED quad bridge backlighting system also helps improve visual comfort during longer viewing sessions. Whether you're watching videos, scrolling through social media, browsing websites, or gaming, the 144 Hz refresh rate delivers a noticeably smooth and responsive experience. When it comes to performance, the phone is powered by the Dimensity 7400 chipset built on a 4nm manufacturing process. This processor isn't designed to chase the highest benchmark numbers, but instead focuses on finding a balance between performance and efficiency. In everyday usage, including video streaming, messaging, office tasks, and multitasking between different applications, the experience remains consistently smooth. Software optimization is also quite solid, with fast updates and effective background process management. In benchmark testing, the phone achieves an AnTuTu score of around 730,000 points, which is right in line with expectations for a device in the 1,500 Yuan price category. Compared to some competitors that prioritize raw performance above everything else, the Turbo 6X Pro places greater emphasis on power efficiency and long-lasting battery life, which ultimately becomes one of its strongest advantages.
When it comes to gaming, the OnePlus Turbo 6X Pro handles popular titles like Honor of Kings and PUBG Mobile with ease. Even at high graphics settings running up to 90 FPS, gameplay stays smooth and stable with excellent frame rate performance. While this isn't a smartphone specifically built for competitive esports players, it delivers more than enough power for everyday gaming and can comfortably handle most mainstream titles. To maintain that smooth performance during longer gaming sessions, OnePlus has equipped the phone with a large VC cooling system. Even after hours of continuous gaming, the device remains relatively cool and stable without developing excessive heat. Combined with its advanced power management system, the strain on the battery is significantly reduced during demanding workloads and performance transitions. However, if there's one area where this phone truly stands out above everything else, it has to be the battery life. Equipped with a huge 8,000 mAh battery and paired with the efficient Dimensity 7400 chipset, the endurance is genuinely impressive. It can continuously play short-form videos for up to 29 hours, provide navigation for around 17 hours, and run Honor of Kings at 90 FPS for as long as 8 hours. For power users, heavy gamers, or anyone who spends long hours away from a charger, that level of battery life brings real peace of mind. Charging is equally impressive, thanks to support for 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging. Starting from just 1% battery, the phone can reach approximately 50% charge in only 30 minutes. The dedicated power supply feature also allows power to be delivered directly to the system during gaming, navigation, and video playback, helping reduce battery temperature and long-term wear. Beyond that, the phone includes a range of practical features such as full-featured NFC, an infrared remote control, and stereo dual speakers, making the overall experience even more complete. Although the Turbo 6X Pro isn't positioned as a camera-focused smartphone, its cameras are more than capable for everyday photography. In good lighting conditions, image quality is quite pleasing. The overall photographic style looks natural, with balanced colors that avoid excessive saturation, resulting in photos that are visually appealing and realistic. In challenging lighting environments, the camera performs well when handling bright highlights, and highlight suppression remains fairly consistent. OnePlus has also included a comprehensive suite of AI imaging tools, including AI glare removal, AI reflection removal, AI ghosting correction, and image enhancement features. These additions are genuinely useful in day-to-day photography and help improve overall image quality. On the software side, the phone comes with Core OS 16 pre-installed and has successfully passed the brand's official 6-year smoothness certification. Beyond its fluid performance, the AI ecosystem is also quite comprehensive. Features such as AI translation and AI writing are deeply integrated into the system, making them easy to access and practical for everyday use. For users with a slightly tighter budget, there's also the OnePlus Turbo 6X from the same lineup. It remains a highly cost-effective option, offering strong performance along with an LCD display, making it particularly suitable for students and older users. Overall, if your budget is around 1,500 yuan and you're looking for a smartphone that delivers exceptional battery life, a quality display, smooth software, a complete set of features, and reliable everyday performance for yourself or your family, then the OnePlus Turbo 6X Pro stands out as an extremely competitive and value-packed choice.